We are using Paradise on a daily basis and have done for the full 11 years.
I think the most unique thing about working with Serenco is how close our partnership actually is.
It's never a no, it's more, what do you need? These are the 3 ways we can do it. I'm Tony Dearden, Managing Director of Serenco UK. We've been trading now for, I can't believe it myself, 25 years. We're 46 people now and in effect a wholesale business. We import and we distribute automotive tools to the professional user. We have 400 independent distributors and we provide a whole solution. So there's a lot of service involved. I think people talk about digital transformation as if it's a new thing. The bigger we've got and the more capable we are, it enables you to bring in much bigger solutions and therefore the differences are bigger.
The key reason to go digital is because it enables you to scale. Imagine you're twice as successful in your business. You may not have twice the admin capacity to deal with it. All of these other automated and admin tasks are doing what computers do best and just handle that for you.
Serenco's first major project with Paradise going from Sage 50 to Sage 200. And now for me at the time, that was my first big ERP project, and it was an absolute joy to work alongside the team here at Serenco and Tony.
We were using Sage Line 50. We were struggling with matching our product ledger with our financial ledger, and therefore we couldn't get an accurate day-to-day set of results. By taking on Sage 200, that was analysing the stock ledger, so we could see on a daily basis actually our true invoicing and our true margins. If we'd stuck with Sage Line 50, that we'd just outgrown it. Partner of Paradise, Sicon, they offer a collection of modules.
So Serenco have deployed our distribution, our courier and our barcoding and warehousing solutions. For them, where they're a distribution outlet, the key elements within their Sage 200 system help them operate more efficiently. So for example, the material planning gives them visibility of what they need to order and when they need to order it. Being able to see visibility of their back orders, where they can take allocated stock and give it to somebody else who needs it more urgently. Again, all of that builds on top of the Sage system. And by automating a lot of those processes and not having bits of paper flying around the business because the system's up to date, of course you're reducing that admin.
Jaguar Land Rover offer the ability, if your car has broken down, they will actually come out to you and repair your car on your driveway. In order to do that, they need parts. Jaguar and the AA do not have any supply chain partners that can deliver to house addresses. And hence we were asked, how are we going to communicate that part and how are we going to get that part to him super quickly? So the app should show to the customer on his iPhone. He should be able to select from the database of parts. That then communicates with us. The part gets loaded automatically, the sales order gets loaded automatically, the purchase order gets loaded automatically, and it's literally instant. So now this is working. We're now up to 40, 50 orders a day, just following this procedure. Paradise gives us the confidence to say, you'd like an app? Okay, let's go and see. We'll see if we can make you an app. And in this case, it worked really, really well.
We've got quite a unique partnership, I should say, with Serenco. They've got that trust and faith that we will be able to deliver.
We take great delight in what we've done has played a part in the success of our customers.
It's as if we have another department in the company and they know us, they know the customers, they know how we sell. They already know so much before we make the requests. It just feels like you're talking to one of your own.